Colors. What are pigments? What is the difference between colors of light and paints? Why do mixing of colors yield an entirely different color? What are pigments? What is a subtractive process? Let's compare mixing light and mixing paints. When red is mixed with green light, we get yellow. When yellow light is mixed with blue light, we get a white light. However, when we are mixing yellow and blue paints in equal proportions, we get green color. On mixing blue and yellow paints, why is green color obtained? This is because colored lights and colored paints behave in different ways. All objects, including paints, owe their colors to the presence of pigments. What are pigments? Pigment is a coloring material of mineral, animal, vegetable, or synthetic origin. Pigments are optically active substances which have no color of their own but get activated when exposed to white light. Let's take a look at some common objects and their pigments. Hair has the pigment melanin. Blood has hemoglobin. Green leaves have chlorophyll. Carrots have carotene. Sunflower has xanthophyll. How do pigments behave? Pigments absorb most of the colors of white light but selectively reflect one or more color. Presence of impurities cause the blue pigment to reflect not only blue color but also some amount of green and indigo, while red, orange and yellow get absorbed. Presence of impurities cause the yellow pigment to reflect not only yellow color but also some amount of green and orange, while blue, indigo and violet get absorbed. Green is the common color which is reflected by both the above pigments. Thus, yellow and blue pigments on mixing form green color. The process of pigment combination is called subtractive process, as pigments selectively absorb some color of the incident light and reflect others. Can you guess the components of light that are reflected by the orange? A rough estimate of colors reflected from a particular pigment can be had from this color disk. Any particular color pigment, when exposed to white light, reflects mostly its own color and partially the colors lying adjacent to it in the given diagram. The orange pigment reflects not only its own color but also some amount of yellow and red, as is evident from the color circle. Types of pigments. Pigments have been used as colorants since prehistoric times. These pigments were obtained from organic sources such as insects and plants. Synthetic or inorganic pigments are obtained from chemicals. They are made in labs. These are used in paints, plastics, synthetic fiber, and ink. Plant pigments are chlorophyll, carotenoids, anthocyanins, and flavonoids. Sources of chlorophyll are green vegetables, mainly leaves, cabbage, broccoli, artichoke, etc. Sources of carotenoids are all orange-colored fruits and vegetables. Anthocyanins belong to flavonoids family. These pigments give plants, flowers and fruits their brilliant colors ranging from pink through scarlet, purple and blue. Anthocyanins are particularly found in fruits such as green and purple grapes, blackberries, strawberries and raspberries. Flavonoids are found in veggies and cereals like onion, garlic, tomatoes, brown rice and peanuts. They are present in tea, chocolate, grapes, apple, berries and citrus fruits like in lemon. In non-veg food, they are available in food like fish, meat and seafood. Application of pigment. Primary application of pigment is in coloring. Organic pigment gives brighter coloring, while synthetic pigment gives dull coloring. Application of pigments in paintings. Here we see on the left a painting in the 15th century where the cardinals of the Roman Catholic Church wore scarlet robes. Fresco painting. The Creation of Adam, a painting on the Sistine Chapel ceiling by Michelangelo. Application of pigments in textiles and fabrics. The first picture shows the dress of the cardinal, the second, uniform of the Royal Canadian Mounted Police, and the third, the flag of China. Application of pigments in automotive coatings. Coating on four-wheelers, three-wheelers, two-wheelers, and on bicycles. Other than these, application of pigments can be seen in architectural coating, in wood coating, in industrial coating, and in painting plastics. Application of pigments is also seen in coloring packaging, in printing and publication, in stationery.